Bird Expo. The Bird Expo's just opened up.
How much the budgies?
Boxes.
Yeah, budgie. 12. Here. $8. Oh, $6.
6.
I'll get some.
$6 for a budgie.
4 for Finch. Here, you want it? Is it fun? It's not running.
Yeah, it's running. There you go.
Good, how are you?
Not bad.
Do you guys want a sticker? Yeah? Got some parrots and some pigeons. Yeah, you want a macaw? Yep. Sorry for my cold hands. Which one do you want, mate? Do you want the same? Yeah. Right. Show me your hand. There you go. Have a good day.
Well, so
$15 a budgie and $20 a budgie. Bargain at the bird sale. Don't even see from the
So this is my brother, Sean. You've met him doing the Avery build, and oh yeah, here we go.
Oh yeah,
A couple of budgies.
that's a blue show budgie.
So this is Tim from the planning of the Avery, and his son. Who's your name? Caden. So tell him, you got to tell him. Mons. Is Mons. Hey, bud. So yeah, we're going to look around the expo and see if we can find some birds. Yeah. Right?
All the Quakers in.
Oh, the Quakers.
White line,
Right?
white line female princess.
Oh, yeah. Oh, right. Yeah. So it's not a yellow. It's better than a happy ending.
Thanks, boys.
Cheers, a lot.
That's a nice colour, man.
Pretty.
$4 a photo.
Just had a bit of spare cash. So,
So what do you got?
pair of blue Quakers
Yeah.
and half a dozen budgies. This fella's
You don't have far to go to.
No,
pair of Scarlets.
Just up the
I
road.
come here because Sean was coming here,
Yeah,
Yeah.
a pair of Scarlets,
and you can't leave with nothing without him.
a Cobalt Quaker, and
And I'm still leaving with money. I was going to buy more, but I couldn't fit them in.
Yeah.
We're going to go home and put the Avery, the boxes
ready
up
to go.
so they can mate and whatnot.
Pay for a bit of feed.
Yeah. So they'll get a good home.
Yeah.
And what do you think of the?
Oh, it's great.
Yeah.
It's great.
Coming again.
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks.
So we just finished coming back from the Hawkesbury Birds sale, Bird Expo, and I just got a pair of owl finches, Parsons finches, and some another pair of painted biotails.
There's the owl finches. Beautiful.
And the parsons are very rare in the wild now, but
There's the parsons.
yeah, they haven't been found in many places in the wild for a long time now. So
that's
hopefully can breed them up and get another breeding program.
They call them double bars as well, isn't it?
Double bars, yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So it's a great bird sale to go to. Support your local bird sales and keep breeding birds. We're going to head off home, release the birds into the aviary that we filmed, planting of the aviary. So these birds will go into this aviary and keep the breeding programs going. I'll see you next time.